Hi, Neela. I want to talk to you about, I still see a little plagiarism, so I want to talk to you about how to read your report. Um, so I go through it, and this is, I don't know what happened with your citation here. The semicolons don't belong, and I don't know. Are these, I don't know. These are strange names. It doesn't look right. And also your date goes after the publication or the publisher information. Yeah, this citation is wrong. The article title gets put in quotation marks, and then the book title gets italicized, or the journal title in this case. And the all the big words in both titles need to be capitalized. So this citation has a lot of issues, but it's not plagiarized. It's just a citation. Um, when I see quotation marks, I'm not worried. That's fine. Well, that's the article title. Okay, so that's fine too. Here, I see quotation marks, and here I see quotation marks. Wherever I see quotation marks, though the lines might be flagged, that's okay because when they're flagged, that means somewhat those lines have been published elsewhere, and that's what you're telling me with the quotation marks, so that's fine. So I'm scanning to see if all the flagged bits are in quotation marks. And when I get here, let's see, I see a little bit. Inner layer or lining is made of vegetable polymer polyurethane. That's not in quotation marks. And it's tricky because they're technical terms, but technically that's plagiarized. And then this is in quotation marks, that's okay. But it's down here where I've got a big stretch that's not in quotation marks and it's flagged. So this bit here is still plagiarized. And then same. Let's see. No, those are in quotation marks. These are too. So that's how I do it. I scan the report and I'm looking to make sure everything that's flagged is in quotation marks. So it's just those few places. And let me just tell you what your options are. You can either, put this in quotation marks, or you can paraphrase it, put it in your own words. And when you paraphrase, the way to do it to avoid plagiarism is to both find synonyms and also restructure the sentence by finding a new subject. So like if this was the line here that you were paraphrasing packaging that is made from raw material, instead of using packaging as your subject, you may begin with raw material. Raw material goes into goes into package production or something like that. You choose a new subject and you also find synonyms. That's how you do it correctly. But as of right now, you still have a little bit of plagiarism.